How can I pay off my mortgage faster? It's probably one of the most common questions I get asked. Mark, how can I pay this mortgage off sooner? And today I'm going to show you a couple things, but the first thing is a simple little trick. And if you, like me, I'm a visual person, so I put it right on a screen here for you. You'll notice two columns, mortgage 1 and mortgage 2. They're identical. $350,000 mortgage example at 4% over 25 years, monthly payment. And if you go down a little further to the bottom here, you'll see a circular-like, clock-like diagram. And below that, you'll see that it shows you exactly how many years it's going to take you to pay off that mortgage. And below that, in this little box here, it shows you the interest that you pay over the life of your mortgage. So today, the first thing I'm going to show you is the simplest strategy that you must be doing, and that's simply choosing accelerated biweekly payments. By doing that, look what happens. If you go down below this clock here, you'll notice that you've saved over 3 years off of the life of your mortgage, but more importantly, up to $30,000 of your hard-earned money has been cut off in the interest that you're going to pay, and that's simply by doing accelerated biweekly payments. Now listen, if you've got a mortgage or if you're getting one, whether it's through us, through the bank, through another broker, do yourself a favor. Choose accelerated biweekly payments. You'll be glad you did. It's going to work out for you in the long run. Now, the next thing I want to show you is I want to show you the other little trick that you can do, and you're probably aware of it already. You can increase your payment. In this little box here, it allows me to go up in $10 increments. I'm going to take it up to $50 in combination with the accelerated biweekly payments. Go down here to the clock. You'll notice you've saved almost 5 years, or cut off almost 5 years of the amount of time it's going to take you to pay off that mortgage. So you pay it off 5 years sooner, but more importantly, you're saving almost $45,000 in interest. This is crazy. Now, lots of people love the idea of increased payments, but typically it's a little bit hard to do because your institution doesn't like to do it. You got to call them up. You got to make sure they're on board. Well, I've got some great news because this typically doesn't get done. Our new iCare program, it does all of this for you. It gives you the accelerated biweekly payments. It manually adjusts your payments. So 3 things happen. Number 1 is you cut down the length of time it's going to take you to pay off this mortgage. You save a ton of cash and interest. And just as importantly, you save yourself when you come out of this mortgage because there's no payment shock. Now you might ask, what's payment shock? Well, as you can see in this example, you're at 4%. Let's say it's a 5-year term, and 5 years down the road, interest rates have gone up to 6%. Well, you've got a 2% payment shock between what you were used to paying and what you're going to pay moving forward. Well, we take care of it so that there's no payment shock when you come out because we've manually adjusted everything. Listen, there's a lot more to mortgages than just great rates. I got some ton of ideas, great programs that I'd love to share with you. You know how to reach me, 604-273-2002 or online at www.notapennydown.com. As usual, make it a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.